This is 2008 Ford Edge. This is the wiring connection for the fuel pump. Like you can see here, this is the fuel pump relay. This is the fuel pump itself. Here we have the powertrain control module, and then we have the initial fuel shut off switch. This is the battery junction box. Like you can see, is a battery junction box, which is the fuse box, the outside fuse box. The fuel pump relay is there inside the fuse box. Now we have the hot at all time, which is a steady current wire here on one side of the relay. And then we have a hot in start or run, which is the ignition system down to the relay. Then we have this one going to the fuel pump. And the remaining one here that will activate the relay is from the powertrain control module. You can see this is a FPC as a fuel pump control. Is the one from the brain box down to the relay to activate the fuel pump. So this is a wiring diagram for the 2008 Ford Edge fuel pump system.